What do you do when you're having a really crappy off day? Well, what a day today has been. As you can see behind me, kind of, is the moon. That's how interesting today has been. Basically, it's been boring, dull as hell, to be honest. And yeah, pretty crappy, feeling quite tired and just lethargic and rubbish, really. So, yeah, it's been pretty crappy, really. Just felt kind of, for no particular reason, just felt really just pissed off all day. I think it's maybe it's just sort of a, I don't know, maybe to do with not having much money for this week, and or it could be just a bit of depression kicking in, who knows. But yeah, just feeling pretty crappy today. Kind of even had a little sort of snooze later, just not feeling it today. But you know, I think it's important to kind of cover these things and address them, and it is what it is. You know, I'm feeling pretty crappy, but today here is a gorgeous view. I'm now going to go on to a lovely, still got the little cheeky moon up there. Not quite full, wow, suddenly got some light. Not quite a full moon, but it's probably a few days to go, so not too bad. But let's go onto the bridge and get some see some traffic. That's how interesting today is, traffic. Let's do it. The most exciting thing today has been traffic, with a gorgeous, I think they call it the golden hour of sunset. You see the traffic behind, you can see the cheeky moon up here somewhere, about there. Let's spin around, see if we can catch this gorgeous sunset, which you can't properly see. Let's go this way for some love. Oh, it's beautiful light. This is the best light ever. Hopefully you can hear. Let's get nice and close. Let's get really close. Boredom. When you have crappy days, it's even harder to kind of do the things that you committed to, the things you said you wanted to do, and which are mainly sort of things you don't want to do, whether that's in your business, prospecting or posting or creating content. Hopefully this is going to come out because it's very loud, but creating content is vitally important to anything in life. I think being creative, but nice and quiet. But when you're feeling crappy like I am today, and I'm sure everyone has their crappy days, some more than others. You know, I'm certainly no different to anybody else, but it's sort of doubly hard to actually make that commitment to actually do stuff, almost to get out of bed, to actually do anything. And it's been a tough day. I said I have no particular reason. I just feel very crappy, very down, very sort of inside, and but you know, at least this time I've actually managed to get my ass off the sofa and kind of come out here and at least share my thoughts. It's not going to be the most exciting or longest video, but you know, I'm going to feel at least content that I've actually done this. So there you have it, my crappy Sunday, low energy, a bit down. I think the thing I've learned from this is literally just to get up and do something, get out the house, remove yourself from the sort of the lazy situation. It's tough, and I'm the laziest person in the world, but I think I've learned that literally just getting out, taking a 5-minute walk down the road, which is where I am, and just a bit of fresh air, a bit of movement, and I did it to record this. It's not necessarily made me feel better, but at least it's kind of got the blood flowing. I think that's it. I did take a nap, which is what you naturally feel like you want to do, what I naturally feel like I want to do, but it's not the answer, and I think a bit of movement is what's needed. So Yeah, it's one of the, I need to capture this gorgeous, which doesn't really do it justice really. Still got the moon up here, but it doesn't really do it justice, the gorgeous orange and blue sunset. So let's see if I can catch a bit more of that and head back, weirdly, into that, which is a dark kind of forest, which should be interesting now the light's gone down. But yeah, hopefully you got a little bit of value from this. If you're new here, please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it, and drop a like if you got some value, and a comment. Love to hear from you, maybe how you sort of deal with crappy down days, things like that. But yeah, would love to hear from you, and for now, see you tomorrow.